everyone! Welcome to the English Speaking Show. Today, we will help you speak English without feeling nervous.
You will learn why nervousness happens, 3 simple techniques to stay calm, and practice speaking with confidence.
Jake, are you nervous right now?
Nervous? No, Yes, I am nervous about talking about nervousness.
Then you are in the right lesson.
So today, let us learn how to feel calm when we speak English.
Together. Jake, tell me, when you speak English, what happens inside your body?
My heart starts beating very fast, and my hands feel cold and wet, and my mind, it just goes completely blank.
Like someone turned off the lights in your brain?
Exactly. The words are hiding somewhere, but I cannot find them.
Jake, you are not alone. Millions of people feel exactly the same way.
Really? Even good English speakers?
Yes, even native speakers feel nervous sometimes when they speak in important moments.
That makes me feel a little better.
Jake, can I tell you something surprising?
Yes, Ella?
Your nervousness is not because your English is bad,
Really? Then why do I feel this way?
because your brain thinks speaking English is dangerous.
Dangerous? Like a lion?
Kind of. Your brain sees a new language and thinks, "This is scary. Run away!"
So my brain is overreacting.
Exactly. And today, we will teach your brain to relax.
Ella, last week something very embarrassing happened to me.
Tell me,
I went to a cafe to buy coffee, and everything went wrong.
what happened?
Well, this story is funny, but also sad. Viewers, stay with us. You will understand why nervousness feels so strong.
If you want more slow, step-by-step speaking help like this, you can subscribe so you do not miss the next lessons.
So, I walked into the cafe. It was busy. Many people were waiting.
Okay, and then?
I got to the counter. The barista smiled and said, "What can I get for you?" And suddenly, my brain stopped working.
The blank moment.
Yes. I opened my mouth and said, "I want, coffee. No. Wait. Water. No." The barista just stared at me.
What did you do?
I pointed at the menu. I could not say the word coffee. I just pointed with my finger like this, and my face turned completely red.
Jake, on a scale of 1 to 10, how nervous were you at that moment?
10? No, maybe 100.
I believe you. Your nervousness was very, very high. But Jake, that happens to so many people.
Okay, maybe. I felt like everyone was watching me fail.
Jake, listen to me. You did not fail.
But I could not even say coffee.
You communicated. You pointed, and the barista understood you. That is what matters. Communication is not about perfect words.
So, pointing counts as English?
Sometimes, yes. Body language is part of communication.
Aha! Then I am fluent in pointing.
Now, let me explain why this happened to you.
Please, I need to know.
When you feel nervous, your brain reacts. It activates something called fight or flight mode. It is a survival response. Your body thinks you are in danger.
But I was just buying coffee.
Exactly. But your brain does not know that. When you are nervous, more blood goes to your muscles. The part of the brain responsible for emotions and fear becomes highly active. That is why thinking becomes hard.
So it is not my fault?
Not at all. It is biology. And we can train your brain to stay calm. I will teach you 3 easy ways to stop nervousness.
3 ways? Tell me everything.
These techniques helped me when I was learning French. They work. Trust me. Technique number 1. Breathe slowly before you speak.
Just breathe?
Yes, watch me. Breathe in through your nose. Hold for 1 second. breathe out slowly through your mouth.
Okay, let me try. Wow, I already feel calmer.
See? Breathing sends a message to your brain. The message is everything is safe. Your heart slows down, your mind clears.
So simple, but it really works.
Now, everyone at home, try it with us. Say this sentence slowly. I breathe slowly.
I breathe slowly.
Technique number 2. Speak slower than you think you should.
Slower? But I already speak slowly.
Not slow enough. When you are nervous, you speak fast without knowing. Listen to the difference. Hello, I would like 1 coffee, please. Hello, I would like 1 coffee, please.
Oh, the second one sounds confident.
Exactly. Slow speech gives you time to think, and it sounds calm.
Let me try. Hello, I would like 1 coffee, please.
Perfect. You sound like a calm, confident person now.
I like this feeling.
Everyone, repeat with us. I speak slowly.
I speak slowly.
Technique number 3. Accept that mistakes are normal.
But I do not want to make mistakes.
Jake, everyone makes mistakes, even native English speakers.
But my inner voice says they will laugh at me.
Let us rewrite that inner voice. Say instead, they want to understand me.
They want to understand me. They want to understand me. That feels better.
Good. What else does your inner voice say?
My English is terrible.
Rewrite it. Say, my English is improving every day.
My English is improving every day. My English is improving every day. Yes, I like this new voice.
See? When you rewrite your inner voice, your nervousness goes down. I once said 20 years cold instead of 20 years old.
Really?
Yes, the class laughed, and I laughed too. When you accept mistakes, they lose their power over you.
So, mistakes mean I am trying?
Exactly. Mistakes mean you are learning. Just smile and keep talking.
Okay, I can do that.
Beautiful. Now you have 3 powerful techniques. Viewers, you can also watch our episode, How to Talk with Confidence, to learn more on confidence.
Ella, these 3 techniques are very helpful.
Yes. And Jake, do you want to learn 6 simple words that will help you talk about confidence?
6 words? I am ready.
The first word is nervous.
Nervous.
Nervous means you feel worried or scared about something.
Like me before speaking English. I feel very nervous.
Exactly. Word number 2 is confident.
Confident.
Confident means you feel sure and strong inside.
After breathing slowly, I feel more confident.
Perfect example. Word number 3 is breathe.
Breathe.
Breathe means to take air in and out slowly.
I breathe before I speak. It helps me stay calm.
Very good. Word number 4 is relax.
Relax.
Relax means to become calm and peaceful.
When I relax, my voice sounds better.
Yes. Word number 5 is mistake.
Mistake.
A mistake is a small error. It is not perfect, but that is okay.
I make mistakes every day, but I am learning.
Exactly. And our last word is practice. Practice.
Practice.
Practice means to do something many times to improve.
I practice speaking English every day.
Beautiful.
6 words. I feel smarter already.
Good. Now we will see how you sound when you are nervous and when you are calm. Jake, show us how you sounded at the cafe when you were very nervous.
Oh no, this will be embarrassing.
It is okay. We are learning together.
Okay, here is nervous Jake. Um, I, uh, I want, coffee, maybe. Or, uh, wait, one, uh, coffee?
Jake, you sounded like your brain was buffering.
Yes. Loading, loading, error.
And look, you were not looking at me. Your voice was very quiet. You spoke too fast.
I know. That is how I feel when I am scared.
That is normal. But now, try the right way. This time, use the 3 techniques. Ready?
Okay, let me breathe first. Hello. I would like one coffee, please.
Jake, that was perfect.
Really? I felt different that time.
You sounded calm, clear, and confident. You looked at me, you breathed first, you spoke slowly.
And I used the same words, but my voice was not shaking.
Exactly. The words were the same. The technique made the difference.
I like the calm version of me much better.
That calm version is always inside you. You just need to breathe and slow down.
So, nervousness is not about my English skill?
No, it is about your breathing and your speed. Control those, and you control your nervousness.
This is amazing.
And now we will practice in real situations. It will help you use these techniques everywhere.
Let's do it.
Jake, imagine you are lost and need to ask someone for directions. First tip, stand up straight. Good posture helps you feel confident. Now breathe and ask for help.
Excuse me, can you help me find Main Street?
Excellent. Your voice sounded strong because your body was strong.
Standing straight really helps.
Yes, it always does. Now let's put you in the next situation. Answering the phone in English. Second tip, smile while you speak. It makes your voice sound friendly.
Smile? Even on the phone?
Yes, people can hear your smile through your voice.
Okay, let me try. Hello, this is Jake speaking.
Perfect. You sounded warm and confident.
My voice did feel different.
Now comes the last situation. Introducing yourself to a new neighbor. Third tip, make eye contact. It shows you are confident and friendly.
Eye contact. That is hard for me.
Just look at their eyes for a few seconds. You do not need to stare.
Hi, my name is Jake. Nice to meet you.
Beautiful. You looked calm and friendly.
3 tips, and I feel much more confident.
Wonderful work. Now we will practice complete sentences together. Dear friends, we will say each sentence once.
After each sentence, you will have 5 seconds to repeat it aloud.
Breathe, relax, and speak with us. You are doing great. Sentence 1. It is okay to feel nervous sometimes.
It is okay to feel nervous sometimes.
Now you.
Sentence 2.
I breathe slowly before I speak.
I breathe slowly before I speak.
Your turn. Sentence 3. I speak slowly and clearly.
I speak slowly and clearly.
Repeat now.
Sentence 4.
Mistakes are normal and okay.
Mistakes are normal and okay.
Say it with us. Sentence 5. I can speak English with confidence.
I can speak English with confidence. Viewers, repeat please.
Wonderful work, viewers. You just practiced 5 confident sentences.
Your voice is getting stronger every time you practice.
Keep using these sentences in real life. They work.
Ella, today we learned so many helpful things.
Yes, we learned why nervousness happens.
My brain thinks speaking English is dangerous, but it is not.
Exactly. And we learned 3 simple techniques.
Breathe slowly, speak slowly, and accept mistakes.
And you used all 3 techniques. You sounded calm and confident.
I feel much better now than I did at the cafe.
Jake, I have one more small tip for you.
Tell me.
Before you speak, say this in your mind. I am calm. I am ready.
I am calm. I am ready. That feels good to say.
It prepares your brain. Your words will flow more easily.
I will use that before my next English conversation.
Jake, shall we test what we remember? Ready for a quick quiz?
Oh no, a quiz? Okay, I will try.
Good. Question 1. What should you do before you speak?
Breathe slowly.
Perfect. Question 2. How fast should you speak?
Yes, I know this one. Slower than I think.
Excellent. And question 3. Are mistakes okay?
Mistakes. Yes, mistakes are normal and help me learn.
All correct. You've remembered everything.
Yes, I am learning fast. And for everyone at home, remember this confidence sentence. I can speak English calmly and clearly.
Beautiful. Say that every day.
Now we have a small challenge.
Dear friends, this week, speak one English sentence to someone new. Use the 3 techniques. Breathe, speak slowly, and accept mistakes.
It can be very simple. Hello, or thank you, or how are you?
After you try, tell us in the comments. Write what you said and how you felt.
If this lesson helped you feel less nervous, please like this video.
Subscribe for more easy English lessons every week.
And share this video with a friend who also feels nervous speaking English.
Next episode, we will help you start a conversation, even if you are shy.
That sounds perfect. I need that lesson too.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep breathing, and keep speaking.
Take care
and see you in the next episode.
episode.